Hi, I'm Lori Gabriel with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm at our newest listing at 30 Marjorie Lane in Vernon, Connecticut. This is a gorgeous colonial that you don't want to miss. Come on in and let's take a look around, and the owner is here. So I'm sitting here today with Jennifer, the owner of this gorgeous home, and we are at 30 Marjorie Lane, and this is in Vernon, Connecticut. This is a gorgeous colonial. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's 2,388 square feet with just shy of 1,000 additional square feet in the lower level. So if you have a family that's looking for a growing space, or if you just like to entertain, this is the place that you want to come to. It is a gorgeous home. So I'm talking to Jennifer about some of the special features that we have here.
I would say the fireplace. One of the main reasons why we bought the house was for the fireplace.
So you could snuggle on warm, cozy days.
To have the warmth of the fire and to hear it and see it.
So sitting here in this great room is just fabulous. Plus it's open to the kitchen, which is gorgeous and remodeled. And I love that you have the French doors with the wooden ceiling, the tongue and groove woodwork and the beams. It's just gorgeous in that room. It's so sun-filled, lined with windows. I really love it. But it also leads to a huge deck, lots of big yard space, and it's nice and level. Private.
Very private with all the landscaping and the trees.
Yep. And perennials. I see a lot of perennials, so we've got all kinds of colors going on outside.
Yes. We really like that everything is so convenient. So the neighborhood is very quiet. You know, there are kids riding their bikes and you see people walking all the time, but it's very quiet. You don't hear things at night or disrupting you, but there are grocery stores and restaurants that are just within a few minutes.
There's a new Aldi's at the bottom of the hill. Plus you can go right down to the mall. You're convenient to Kohl's and everything else you can think of.
There are two things I will miss the most about the house. It would be the fireplace. I love having a wood burning fireplace. But also our backyard, sitting out on the deck, quiet, and I think just on nice weather days, sitting out there and hearing the breeze. It's very enjoyable.
But the kitchen, although it's a little small, it's still perfect to work in.
Still functional.
Yes, very functional with the stainless steel appliances, your extra double pantries, which is really nice. I know you just did a new microwave too, so it's up to date.
And the cabinets fit.
Yeah.
They go way back. We have fit everything in it.
Then you have the breakfast bar there too, so you can sit there while somebody's preparing. And then we go into the formal dining room. And the formal dining room is big and large. Plus you have hardwood floors going into the dining room and the living room, and your foyer area. It leads to a big, huge front to back living room with a lot of windows, the bookshelves, a window seat, very pretty. Your master bedroom is huge and 2 closets. So you have like a his and her walk-in.
This house is unique in that you have areas where you can come together as a family and be together and be apart, but then there are also private areas. Kids can go to the basement. They have their desks set up down there. They do schoolwork. They have their own little areas that they can go to.
Allocated space just for them. Well, I'm so happy that you sat and talked to me. We're thrilled when people will talk and go on camera with us. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it. So if you'd like to take a look at this gorgeous home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or send us an email at team@teamgabriel.net or give me a call, Lori Gabriel. My number is 860-926-5101. We look forward to hearing from you.